First time we met and his face was red, I said, "You're nervous?" He said, "Yes." So and later on, I think he overcame it. You're a little nervous, right? So you can see his face, yeah. It's not bad. So you have to, it's kind of anxiety or nervousness. You can only control. You can get away. I don't know what was I teaching to. Anyway, so you just tell us where you were at before when you started.
Like before the class?
Yeah, I mean, not here, before taking class. When you first came into class and got introduced with these guys, me also, what was your observation? What did you observe? What do you think of them? You know, just describe in front of mom so that.
So yeah, before the class I was nervous to have...
You guys avoid saying yeah. Yeah, it's an informal. Okay. Oh, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes.
You can say yes, yeah, among your friends, but you guys have to, your body should be here, heart and soul should be in the US. Your heart and soul should be there. You have to imagine, you have to picture right. So then you have to act like a foreigner, you know. Then only you can. You're not only learning 1% here, so you're going to have to learn. We're all polite here. They're not going to be polite. How do you respond, react, or respond? So a lot of things you need to work on that. So it's to make a habit of speaking English in front of mom and sister, dad. So that's just starting. 3 kinds of English: family English, college or business. Then is stranger. You go out, you gave direction last on the phone, right? Before we got that. So you gave that direction, that how that guy came to here. So what if you have to learn to give direction in English also? That's a stranger English. Somebody calls you, so you were able to tell them in Nepali, but it's going to be in English.
Yeah.
Just talk to us a little bit.
Yes, so I'm gonna speak about my condition of my English and communication skills.
And you're telling everybody
yeah,
eye contact,
so,
right? Because I'm not, nobody's in charge here. Everyone's equal.
Yeah.
During our school time, our school was pretty much curriculum focused rather than extra activities or English. So yeah, it was like maths, science, like that. But we never had classes like this, you know, where we share different things with each other and learn how to speak, learn how to communicate. So I had a little problem with communication, but surprisingly, I was bit good with public speaking, as I was school captain during my school.
Okay.
So surprisingly, I don't know, because that time I still remember when I was hostel, I had a hostel warden, and yeah, that time he said me one thing like, "You're gonna regret it for your life." Actually, I was hesitant to take part in like nomination for school captain, and we had to give a speech. And he said, "You're gonna regret it if you're not gonna take it." And I still remember that thing. So when I speak in public, I still have that thing in my mind. So that thing gives me motivation. Similarly, like how you guys give me motivation to communicate, speak, right, in this class.
Communicate, that's great.
So that time for public speaking, the sir was my motivation. And now for communication, you guys are my motivation. So that's why I'm able to improve day by day. Every single day I'm getting confident, and after I joined this class, the first person I saw was Sister Vipana. That time you were absent, right?
Yeah.
And Brother Prajwal and Sir. So I usually don't get mixed up with people at first time, but you guys are so polite. Like, I've always learned one thing, that never try to impress people, because one day when you're at the top, when you are famous enough, they will come after you guys. They will come after you. They will come chasing you. Don't try to impress them. But you guys are one of those people who have accepted me for who I am. So I don't have to be strong. I can show my weakness. You know, I can make mistakes in front of you. But outside the world, I cannot afford to show my weakness, because they're going to take advantage of me. I know that. So that's the reason why I got mixed up with you very well. But if you're talking about outside world, I have to overcome them. I have to overcome all the fear, all the anxiety. But with you guys, I was familiar from day one. Yeah, I was a little nervous before I joined the class, because it was entirely new thing for me, like joining the class, having communication with each other. But soon, like after 2 days, I got very much familiar with you, and you are like the guys I consider of my the friends of my own, because I still don't have communication with many friends of my school because we don't match. I just feel like we don't match, you know. But I know, even in school time they came to talk to me because of like ups and downs. During my downs they were no one, but during my up they were like everyone. So, but you guys have accepted for who I am from the day one. So that is the reason why I'm able to communicate with you, and I feel confident with you guys around. So
That's great. Wow.
Yeah, and thank you so much to everyone.
Yeah, of course. Of course. You know,
She's
it's
so
a
proud.
emotion for mother. For us also.
I'm so sorry.
He's so proud of you.
hello. Hey, what's happening? Okay.
Oh, you wanna
Me too, yeah. It's a human.